Love, someone caught away, man. The shit I'm cooking, know you got a taste, fam.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be using the Main Choice Do It Fro the Culture leave-in conditioner and the Bold Buttery gel, along with the white and pink perm rods. This is my first time using this line. I love how the leave-in conditioner feels. It's nice and thick. It was easy to get through my hair. And y'all, this leave-in smells so good, like just so good. So per the usual, I am going to separate my hair into 4 or 5 sections. I believe I did 5 sections, and then I pinned it up, and now we're gonna get into the perm rod set. So here I'm giving you a view of what the Bold Buttery gel looks like. It's nice and thick. So you're going to take a small amount of the product and apply it to the strands of your hair. Apply the amount of product that you see fit. As you can see, I am very impressed with how this made my curls pop. Next, you're going to get your denim brush and make sure your hair is nice and detangled. Now you're going to get your perm rod. Start at the end. I wrap my ends around the end first, and then I roll up a little bit, and then I start to do this twist. That's the best way that I can explain it. So kind of like the flick of the wrist. As I've heard another YouTuber say, I'm going to do this multiple times, so stay tuned and keep watching. I am sure you will understand what I am trying to say by the end of this video. Just keep watching. Now, on this particular part, you will see I thought I was doing good. I got about 2 perm rods in my hair. I went to try to put this little perm rod in. Now watch this little heifer. Thought I was doing something. Whole thing just look at that. Just came loose. Like really? 30 hours later, I have gotten through the back half of my hair. All right, I'm gonna try to explain this again. You start with the rod at the bottom of your hair, take the very end, wrap it around the roller, make sure it's nice and straight, and then you're going to flip it around there, honey. Flick your wrists. That's the best way I can explain it. It's like a twirling motion. If this way does not work for you, you can always roll it the traditional way and you still will get a pretty perm rod set. I forgot to mention that after you apply the rod to the end of your hair, before you start rolling up, you need to pinch your hair just slightly to kind of create tension. You will see me do it in this particular part. After I wrap it, you will see me pinch my hair right above the rod a little bit and then keep twirling and keep going up, if that makes sense. If it doesn't, there are a lot of YouTubers out here who have done perm rod sets the same exact way I'm doing my perm rod set. Yeah, that's where I got the technique from, so don't hesitate to watch their videos as well. And just like that, we are done. Took forever, but we're done. So I'm going to go to bed now. I'm going to sleep in these things. I will say it was the worst night of sleep ever, Lord. All right, so it's the next day. I had to take the rollers down earlier because I had something to do. As you can see, the back of my hair looks like Who Shot John. But I'm going to use some serum and I'm going to apply that all over my hair, and I'm going to take my curls down. I'm taking my curls down just as I would take down my twist outs, just letting them naturally separate and twirling them around my finger. So we still got a little body or whatever, but I don't like it. I look like a 12-year-old, so of course I have to do something about that. And look at the back of my head. Girl, no. Where you going? Let's pull out the pick. Let's try to fluff this out. Not working. Let's get the blow dryer. We're going to stretch it out. Just pull your hair slightly. Don't disturb the curl. And, you know, blow dry at the roots, as you see me doing here. So one side of my head is done. I'm showing you guys a comparison. You see the difference? Now we're almost finished here. Praise the Lord. I'm starting to look like me again. Yes. Yes, fro. Gotta pick it a little bit though. Just a little bit for a little bit more body. I keep shaking my hair because it's like a test. You know, you gotta make sure it has movement to it, honey. So I'm giving you the full view. It looks pretty good. The back came a long way. You know, it's a little stuck back there, but it came along. And that's all, folks. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments down below. I'll see you in my next video.